Simple and beautiful handmade bracelet ideas. Choose the thread color according to your taste. Measure 90 centimeters and 45 centimeters of thread, then fold it in half and cut. Insert beads to sweeten the bracelet on the 45 centimeters thread. Then add 90 centimeters of thread until it looks like this. Tie the end of a 45 centimeters thread and attach a wall nail or something else you have to a part of the table or a curtain part that you feel is strong enough. This functions as a thread fastener, making it easy to knit. Insert the thread to the left side, then to the bottom, pointing out and pull so that the knitting becomes tight. Continue doing this until you get the desired knitting length. Next, braid the thread and measure the length according to taste, then tie the end of the thread. On the other side until it looks like this. Insert a 3.5 cm bead at the end of the knitting. Then insert a 3 cm bead at the end of the bracelet and measure the length according to your taste. The end of the bracelet and cut it. Then insert the other side of the bracelet into 3.5 cm beads like this. And do the same at the end of the bracelet. Cut and trim the end of the bracelet by burning it so that the bone remains strong. The bracelet will look like this. The beads at the end of the knitting function to adjust the size of the bracelet. Now, it's your turn to make it yourself at home with your creativity and style. Beautiful and simple, right?